Hardware Resources Sliding Door Corner Organizer lets you recapture that hard-to-reach back of the corner cabinet. It mounts directly to the cabinet floor with optional top or side mounting for additional stability. Available as a left or right-hand unit, it features soft close functionality with non-slip basket liners. From Hardware Resources, organization at your fingertips. If using a variable speed screw gun with clutch to install your new organizer, make sure it is set to a lower setting. Let's begin by double checking your cabinet for the appropriate sizing. The minimum opening size is 15 inches. Interior cabinet width should be at least 30 7/8 wide, 20.5 inches deep, and a minimum height of 24 inches. Install the extension bars to the rear frame. Horizontal for side mount or vertical for top mount installation. This installation does show top mount. Place the rear frame in the cabinet and position it with 9.5 inches from cabinet wall to the leading edge of the first mounting foot. Secure with 4 number 8 by 5/8 inch panhead wood screws, then extend the extension bars either out to the side or up to the top and secure with 4 more number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead wood screws. If the unit is being installed in a face frame cabinet, spacers, the thickness of the face frame offset, will need to be added behind the side frame to give proper clearance for the unit to operate correctly. Insert door brackets into the side frame. Place side frame into cabinet and with a 3/16 inch setback from the front of the cabinet, secure the side frame with 16 number 8 by 5/8 inch panhead wood screws. Connect swivel arm to the front of the sliding frame with 2 number 6 by 1/4 inch flathead machine screws provided. The rear swivel arm bracket may already be installed. If not, install it at this time with 2 number 6 by 1/4 inch flathead machine screws. Then connect the top swivel arm to rear of sliding frame by placing shoulder washer between the arm and bracket. You will notice the bracket is threaded to accept the screw and screw together with 1 number 8 by 3/8 panhead machine screw. Repeat on the rear frame swivel bracket. Here the arm is threaded to accept the screw. Laying your door panel on a scratch-free surface, place the door bracket base on the door rail and measure over from the side of the door 3 inches plus the intended overlay. Repeat for the other door bracket base. Slide door into the door brackets and install with 2 number 10 by 1/2 inch panhead screws partially tightened. Adjust door height with screws inside frame. Adjust left to right with the end screw in the base. Adjust in and out or tilt with the 2 adjustment screws. Once the door is in your desired position, completely tighten the number 10 by 1/2 inch screw. Install the liners into the bottom of each basket by sliding it in from one side. Install the larger baskets on the rear frame and the smaller baskets on the side frame. If side frame brackets do not have enough clearance, you can move the rear frame swivel arm shoulder washer and screw to increase the clearance.